This is my little sister's reaction to 2 girls, 1 cup. Now sit in a chair and hit the play. No.
Freaking retard.
Just
No, I'm not freaking watching this.
watch it. Now this is Mom watching 2 girls, 1 cup. Sit down at the computer. You have to sit at the computer. Now take the mouse and hit the play button.
Disgusting.
Hit the play button.
She's disgusting.
Oh, this is disgusting.
They eat each other's food.
She's disgusting.